Hey guys, today we're going to replace the Toyota Bonnet strut. So I've replaced this. I bought this from Shopee, and this is not the original, it's the OEM, and I've removed the old one. I've removed the old one out. Okay, so now if you show you the comparison is that these are the old ones, these are the old ones, these are the old ones, and you see the old one, it's very easy. You just have to push it down. Okay, this is okay. And if you see this one, you push it down, it doesn't come up anymore. Okay, now I have a brand new one here, so I'm going to show how you to remove it. It's very simple. What you need is, you need this is a Tasman flathead. So you got to remove this clip. So there is this clip. Okay, the clip is this. This is the clip, and this is how it works. To remove this clip, you have to insert your Tasman into here, insert it, and then pull it out. Okay, so let me show you. This is what you need to do. Let me balance. So when you remove this, don't remove all out, just a little bit will do. As long like this is good enough for you to pull it out. So basically, originally it's like that. So when you clip onto it, so what you need to do is remove it. Don't remove the whole thing. So you do the same thing for the brand new rod as well. So I tunjuk yang baru lah. For the brand new one, insert it, open up to like this cukup. Open sikit cukup. And so that you boleh masuk balik. Easily you masuk balik, and then you clip. Now I've already inserted this. Push it in, and this is where you lock it. So let me adjust ya. So masuk balik until it clips. Okay, okay, a bit more. Alright. Okay, now make sure you duduk siap-siap, so you tak keluar already. Okay, now the next thing is to remove the lower part. If you see the lower part, there's a clip here, so I got to push the clip back. Okay, so now seated, siap, strong. Okay, so now let's try. So now let me give you show you. I fixed this, so they are all in proper sitting. Okay, okay, now let me show you. Pull it down. So it's very tough now. See ah. Okay, okay, now let's open up. Right, see, easy. Let's do it again. Open. Yeah, that's good. So cuba sendiri ya, try on your own, right?